welcome to a video. So I'm getting my things ready right now because I'm gonna do a photo shoot of myself and my son. So I want to show you guys what I'm doing and how I'm gonna do everything because it's a little messy right now. So those are my extensions. I want to make my hair a little bit longer, so I'm like brushing them out and getting them ready. And then I bought some flowers, pretty flowers. So I have my hot glue gun ready. Sorry, that was too close. I have my hot glue gun ready and I'm just trying to get everything together. But yeah, I'm trying to do it fast just because it's like already 5, so I don't want the sun to go down. I'm going to redo my makeup right here. So I just did my eyeliner, well, one of them, and then this is our outfit. That's Moy's outfit. Okay, my look is coming together. I got my hair, I did my makeup again, and now I'm just gonna put in my extensions. Okay, so I'm done getting ready. I'm gonna go find my child now and put on his shirt, that one, and then his pants, and then we're gonna head over to the park so that we can start taking photos before the light is gone. Hey, cheese! Cheese! This is my spot that I chose.
Moy. Moy's the size of Hasbulla. Isn't he?
Okay, since I have a Canon, this is how I connect. It's an app, it's called Canon Connect, and you can basically, keep trying Wi-Fi. Anyways, so my camera is right there. It's connected to the phone, and basically what I do is I can click right here and it starts taking pictures. So it's a little bit easier to do self-portraits right here. Well, not like right here, but with this setup, and they come out really good. Also, Angel was the one taking them because he's like right there. And yeah, Moy's not letting me really take pictures, or he doesn't want to be in them either. So I'm gonna be taking some of myself meanwhile he runs around. Goyo, ¿no te quieres tomar una foto conmigo? Cabrón. Anyways. ¿Qué? Mira. Yo le...
The closest he's been to a bird in this.
Ven, ven, corre. Vamos a verlo. Mira. Aquí está en el árbol. Mira. Mira. Mira, aquí está. Okay, that was it for the whole shoot. So that was our setup down there. It was just a fuzzy little like it's not a blanket, it's a little like a carpeta, and then a white sabana, and then I made my flowers, my flower bouquet from the Dollar Tree flowers, and then this thing too, I got a little diadema and then put the flowers on there. So yeah, I mean, it looks like the pictures all came out good. Well, cause I mean they did, but I haven't looked through them, so I'll see and then I'll put them in. And so yeah, you guys can look at them too. Los ojitos. A ver los ojitos.